Hey, what's going on, guys? John here, and today in this video I just wanted to do a demo for the SEATCRAFT chairs. This will give you some idea of what it's like to actually recline with these, the adjustability, and then just some of the settings and options with these particular chairs. So as you can see here, I have 5 of these in this office here. This is actually a converted garage bay. So I set up a massive TV home theater station here with a bunch of retro games, and basically these seats have some really cool options. So let's kind of go through it. Here on the actual control panel you have a USB port here, so you could use this to charge your phone, and then you have 2 buttons here. One of these buttons will actually reset anything that you've changed. So if I push the seat up, I can actually push this button here in the top. This will illuminate the cup holder here, and then you also get illumination from the bottom of the seat. Now, I'll go ahead and turn off the light so you get some idea of what this looks like in the dark. Looks very, very cool, and as you start to light up some of the other seats all throughout, it really gives it like a nice effect all throughout all the seating. So we'll turn the light back on and I'll show you some of the other options with this. Now, you also have the ability with the bottom button, you can actually reset the entire seat. So you just hold this down and it's gonna basically bring everything back to the default. If I wanna hit this again, it'll turn off my illumination. Pretty much the front 2 buttons here, you have your up for your recline, down for back. And then here you have your lumbar adjustability. So if I push this button, it's actually gonna raise the headset here. And then if I hit the other button, it's gonna lower it. So that's pretty much what you have for options. Now, another really cool thing about these particular SEATCRAFT chairs is that you also have the ability to hook up what they have is called transducers. So these are basically a unit that sits inside of the base of the chair, and it actually has a bass effect. So when you play music, it will vibrate the seat. You do have to get an add-on for this. I actually have it set up over here. I just put it on one of the end chairs. So you can get this add-on device that's specifically designed with SEATCRAFT. This has adjustability on it for all the different options. Basically, this wirelessly connects to a dongle that will hang off of your receiver. So you can see here I've got my receiver here for my home theater. And in the back, I've got this unit here. It's a little bit dark back here, but basically this is connected to the receiver through one of the subwoofer outputs, and that is wirelessly connected over to the unit here. So anytime there's bass or any type of bass, regardless of whether or not you're watching movies, playing video games, you will get a vibration effect that synchronizes with whatever you're watching or playing. So it works really, really well. It's amazing. It's almost funny because I have a retro setup here and I play like some old games from the 90s, and even playing those games you get bass coming through the seat, and that was something that was not even a thing when that was, you know, the time period of our lives. So really, really awesome. I think if you're looking for, you know, a high quality seat, you want some nice movie theater seating, definitely check out the SEATCRAFT brand of seating, and this would be a good bet for anyone looking to add movie theater seats with like really awesome bass effects into the chairs. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video demo.